this example, we will calculate a cross product, right? Which is not always the easiest thing to calculate. But I'll show you a trick which will allow you to calculate actually relatively a cheap number which will allow you to calculate things relatively easily. Okay, so let's consider cross A cross B equals C, where A is this and B is that. All right, so in order to calculate this cross product, I will basically draw the following matrix out. I'm going to write this as I hat, J hat, K hat. And I'll put A's and B's in these columns here, right? So let's put A first. It's going to be 3 I hats. I'll put 3 there, 4 on the J hat, and then there's nothing on the K hat, so that's a 0. And the B, it's going to be basically nothing on the I hat, nothing on the J hat, and basically 1 on the K hat, right? So now, here's the trick. I'm going to duplicate this again. It's going to be I hat, J hat, K hat, and I'm going to duplicate everything at 3, 4, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, now to calculate C, I just have to basically just do a simple multiplication on all the crosses here. So everything that slants this way, forward slashes will be positive, backward slashes will be negative. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so C vector is equal to what? Let's do the I hat part. It's going to be this part right here. Okay, that's going to be 4 times 1, I hat, and the negative part's right here, minus 0 times 0, I hat. Okay, all right, let's do this next part. Positive J hat plus 0 times 0, 0 times 0 J hat. Above the negative side, be 3 times 1 minus 3 times 1 J hat. That's this side right here, so we got to limit that stuff. Now K hat, okay, that'll be plus 3 times 0, that's 3 times 0 right there, K hat, minus what? 4 times 0 right here, minus 4 times 0 K hat. Okay, so now what's the beauty of this? That 0, that 0, that 0, and that 0. Okay, and then we're left with basically 4 I hat minus 3 J hat. Okay, and we are done. All right.